Hey everyone, this is Khalil once again. Good morning, and the time is 12:40, and I'm going to start my day. I know this is very, very, very late. I try to fix my sleeping habit, but currently I'm focusing on something else. Like, I try to record a tutorial for my 3D channel, and because for doing that I have to connect my GoPro first. So let me connect the GoPro, and I also have to connect my microphone that is connected to my phone as usual. So let me first connect the GoPro, because sometimes as usual it takes some time to connect the GoPro. That's why. Let me see. Connect. I connected it. And can you connect the GoPro with just one shot? I think it is not going to do that. Please, 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 please turn on. Turn on. I don't know why I have to always like put the battery inside and then remove it, and then one more time remove the battery, connect the battery, and then connect the cable, and then turn it on. And after pressing the button, now it's connected. Now I have to remove the battery, and now it's connected. If I close this, if I open the I record using the OBS. So my screen recording always, oh, OBS is already running. I think I have clicked multiple times. So you can see that you can see this is working. So this is connected. Now it's time. The first thing that I would like to do is I would record the tutorial that I was recording yesterday, but it was not completed. I have to record it like from the beginning to the end, and I don't know it will be complete. It would complete today or not, but I'll try to complete that. And anything else that I have to do? Um, I think I have to. Yep, I have to. I need the microphone. I'll see you. I'll see you. I'll see you. I'll see you. I also have to talk about a dream. I saw a dream, very interesting. But the thing is, when you saw a dream, and in the dream you felt like, oh, it's very amazing, it's very cool. But when you wake up, when you're awake, and when you think about the dream, it feels like, oh, that was the dream. It was not that interesting that I was thinking in the dream, but it happens all the time with me. But okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay. I was recording the tutorial, and I think it was like more than half an hour. I was working on that, and at last, on one point, I stuck and I did a mistake, and I have to um, do the whole thing again because of one mistake. And there was something that I have to mention, but I forget that, and I realized that thing later. And that's why I have to recreate that thing. Now I am upstairs and I was walking. I thought, let me complete some step, because yesterday it was like I walked less than 2000 steps yesterday. It was very bad. So today I'm thinking about, I have fever and I have pain in my head. So I don't want to do anything, but like yesterday I did not do anything. So when you don't do anything, like yesterday and today also I could not do more, so it creates a very stressful situation. Stressful, not situation, it creates the stressful, but I don't know what, but it creates some stress that I don't know, but it creates. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but uh, I have some kind of depression. I am depressed. I also have to talk about the dream, right? It was not that interesting. I am realizing now that was not a very interesting dream.
So this is the night time and this is 11:27. 10,000 steps has been completed and I could not complete the tutorial, but uh, it's a very good progress and I'll try to finish it by tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. But the main thing, the important thing is I'm working on it, and there's nothing that is like, it's not like I have stopped working. I still have fever, but I've managed to do many things today. I forget to tell you about the dream. The dream was something like this. We were in a train and it was looking like a truck because we were sitting in like the steering. It was like a steering, but there was no steering. But when you see a truck, there's a dashboard and there's a steering. There was not a steering there, but there was a dashboard and the glasses, and we were watching things from there. And our train was going through the streets. It was going through the streets and entering in the houses and stuff, something like this. It was very amazing in the dream, but I'm I'm speaking and I am feeling that okay, it was not that good, but okay. So that's it for today's vlog, and thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum, good night, and see you tomorrow. Okay.